Welcome to this transcriptive tutorial going over how multicam support works in Transcriptive. To use multicam with Transcriptive, you'll need version 2.5 or later of Transcriptive, so download that from our website if you have an older version of Transcriptive 2.0. It also needs Premiere version 14.3.2 or later. Older versions of Premiere don't have support for this feature, so you may need to update Premiere as well. Once you have both of those, Transcriptive will be able to detect multicam source sequences and merged clips in clip mode and have a transcript saved to each one of your multicam or merged clips. You can see the name of the multicam here. That shows that Transcriptive is detecting it with clip mode turned on. For a multicam clip, Transcriptive will transcribe whatever audio tracks are unmuted, which you can see by right-clicking and selecting Open Timeline. So mute any tracks you don't want to be transcribed. If you don't want to transcribe the whole file, here's what you can do. You can't just set an in and out point, but you can trim this so that the beginning of what you want to transcribe is at the beginning of the timeline, and then set an out point where you want the transcript to end. And then click Transcribe in clip mode still to transcribe the multicam, which works the same way as transcribing a video clip or audio file. You'll see the time, cost, and other settings, and once those are set, click Continue and it will start transcribing. Batch transcribing, it doesn't work with multicam or merged clips since the multicam and merged items in Premiere aren't actual media files on your drive. You either won't be able to select them with batch files or batch folder, or if you try to use batch project on a multicam clip, Transcriptive will attempt to transcribe all the files used in the multicam individually, so don't use batch transcribe for multicam or merged clips. Once it's done, the transcript is saved to this multicam item in your Premiere project. When you click this multicam in clip mode, the transcript will load and it's synced with the audio of the clip.
At Inspire Music, we have over 30.
The transcript isn't saved to any of the original media used in the multicam, so clicking on those in the project panel won't load the transcript. Just like with a video clip or audio file, you can add in and out points either in the source monitor or by pressing Ctrl-I for in and Ctrl-O for out in Transcriptive, and then use insert or overwrite in the source monitor or drag that selection to the timeline. Pressing Ctrl plus comma in Transcriptive is also a shortcut for inserting to the timeline, but don't use that with multicam. This works for video and audio clips, but doesn't insert multicam correctly. So if you're using a multicam clip and you want to insert, use the controls in the source monitor instead. Switch off clip mode to load the sequence transcript. This transcript is synced to the timeline, but it will get out of sync if you make edits on the timeline. So if you make edits in your sequence and you want to resync the transcript text, click the top left menu in Transcriptive and select Sync Transcript to Sequence Edit. This takes the transcript from your multicam clips and syncs it with your edit on the timeline. The text, when you do this, is being pulled from the original clip transcript when you load the clip in clip mode, and not from the sequence transcript, so it will overwrite any edits you made to the text of the sequence transcript. This means you should either edit your text in clip mode first, or wait until your sequence edit is finished and synced, and then edit the text in the sequence. That's how multicam and merged clips work in Transcriptive. If you have any questions, or if you want a free trial of Transcriptive, send us an email at sales@digitalanarchy.com.